In our moral science class, yesterday we dealt with this particular chapter, teamwork, chapter 3, and I was explaining to you about what is teamwork. See, what is teamwork? And then I told you that there is a definition given in the book, and I explained to you about this particular question. See, today I am taking the page number 18. Page number 18 I have taken today. See, it is part of this particular answer, what is teamwork. So, there are many aspects we can understand about this particular teamwork. And yesterday I gave you the example of players, example of 11 players of a particular game, may it be hockey, football, cricket. So let us try to understand today also. So please take all of page number 18. See, first point you see, first line. When we work in a team, we forget ourselves and work for a common goal. So as a group member, we have no individual aim, rather we have a common goal to work for. For this, each member of the team has to cooperate with others. It makes life easy. So what happens? See, all these 11 players, yesterday I gave you the example of players, 11 players. They will play the game for a common good, not an individual good. Next one. When we do something together, we develop a team spirit. Working in a team makes the members realize the brotherhood and leads to success. See what happens? When we do something together, we develop a team spirit. A team spirit is developed. There is no individual, rather unitedly all members try to do the work. May it be game or may it be project work, but they work in a group. Working in a team makes the members realize the brotherhood and leads to success. So they are like brothers and sisters. They are unitedly together, they are united and they are together. So they don't work for their own individual benefit, rather for group benefit. So it leads them to success. Now next line you see, let us join hands and work together for the common good. It will lead us to success. So when unitedly these 11 players will play the game, they will certainly win the match. Next point. Animals move in herds. Birds of same feather flock together. Animals, birds, insects and fish go in groups. It is their nature to come together, help one another and also show that one depends on another. So these all birds, ants and animals, we have seen them moving together. Suppose birds, a group of birds fly, they go together. Sometimes we see in the lakes and so on. They remain together. Many remain together. Wherever they go in a group. Similarly, animals we have seen, tigers, lions we have seen. They remain. Therefore, it is called pride of lion. They are in a group. Whatever prey they want to find, they attack together. And then big animals also they can attack. Even elephants and big animals, they can attack with the help of each other. So animals, birds, insects and fish go in groups. It is their nature to come together. So it is their nature. They are living in a community. So group living it is called also, or community living. So unitedly they are together and they get success. Next point you see, mind too has this nature. Father and mother work together. See, our father, our parents work together. They are not individual. They are united. They are one body. They work together. They help each other. Father depends on mother and mother depends on father. So there is an interdependency. Both mother and father depend on each other and they bring up their children in the family. We want to belong to a group, home or family. So in a family we are many members, but all are dependent on each other. The children are dependent on parents, and mother is dependent on father, father is dependent on mother. So together unitedly they bring up all the family members or the children in the family. May it be in the field of education or sickness or any other situation. Mother and father help their children to buy clothes, to take to doctors, if anything happens to their children. So unitedly they work. So this is called all teamwork. So what is teamwork? Definition is there, of course, and then with the example of these players, I am trying to make you understand about the teamwork. So dear children, it's enough for today. I will continue in my next class again. Thank you very much.